Make we add better food wey go help malnourished children during our COVID-19 response efforts. Aisha Buhari na talk this one. This Yamayama disease wey dey waka for Naija so don show the need for global attention to severe acute malnutrition (SAM). This one dey talk about children wey dey sick sake of say dem no see good food eat. As national nutrition champion and founder of Aisha Buhari Foundation, Naija First Lady Dr. Mrs. Aisha Muhammadu Buhari don add her voice to support the fight against malnutrition for Naija. As expert for the field don talk say malnutrition dey risk the lives of children wey dey under the age of 5, and 45% of Naija children don already dey malnourished.
I understand that we are experiencing difficult times due to the COVID-19 pandemic. While all efforts and attention globally and in Nigeria are currently channeled towards ending this pandemic, kindly permit me to raise a malnutrition alert. I want to remind us that malnutrition still accounts for a large number of deaths and underdevelopment among children under the age of 5 in Nigeria, and this situation is further worsened by the current pandemic. As we may be aware, proper nutrition is necessary for building the human immunity needed to combat most illnesses, including the novel coronavirus. This therefore underscores the importance of nutrition and the need for greater investment at this crucial time. I want to make a passionate plea for a deliberate inclusion of nutrition-sensitive intervention as key part of our ongoing COVID-19 response efforts.
She talked say make government for both federal and state level release money for prevention and treatment of malnutrition.
I call on government at federal and state levels to commit funds to the prevention and treatment of all forms of malnutrition and ensure that all policies and services required for treatment of malnutrition, including the community-based management of acute malnutrition centers, are functional.
The First Lady tell Ogbonge Naija people to join hand with government on top better food matter.
I kindly request that humanitarian support, private sector interventions and donations by well-meaning Nigerians should 1. Include foods such as millet, groundnuts and beans to prevent malnutrition among children between the age of 0 to 5 years. 2. That micronutrient powder, action meals and ready-to-use a therapeutic food are provided as treatment solution for children who are already suffering from malnutrition.
Mrs. Aisha Buhari come back community stakeholders, families and people where they take care of those malnourished children, say make them make sure say the food items they reach their hand.
I'm also appealing to community stakeholders, families and caregivers to ensure that food items meant for malnourished children actually reaches them. I believe that by so doing, we will be taking a step towards ensuring that the Nigerian children are not left behind in the context of the COVID-19 response.
This na the Ogbonge informate wey we come for una on top with tori for today. As Aisha Buhari don talk, say make we add better food during COVID-19 response effort as e go help children wey dey malnourished. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this Ogbonge informate come give una. And my name na Aisha Osayende.